Why does this lady always stick her finger in my face? Maybe if I just be nice, she'll leave me alone. Okay. There, you happy now?
I love you.
What a creep. I just got my paycheck. And Pikachu.
He smells it.
Do I smell food? Instead of laughing at me, they could just give me the food. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, I can't find anything. Is my chapstick here? I don't see it. Well, thank you so much for taking me out on this fine dining date.
Excuse me.
Why is this lady yelling at me?
What are you doing?
Ugh, she annoys me so much.
Oh no.
Last time she does that. Ah, this feels so lovely on my scalp.
I love you.
Aww. Let me just say this so she can leave me alone. This looks so relaxing. I love having the day off. Oh my goodness.
Dinky!
Oh, chipmunk. My name's Dinky and I love protein. Oh my goodness, my peanuts.
Dinky, that's not gonna fit.
Obviously it's not gonna fit, but I'll make it work. Jeez. If I say my affirmations, maybe my confidence will build. It's really important to love yourself. I love myself. Myself loves me.
Next Friday? Oh my goodness, come here! I'm so excited!
Wow, this lady is really excited to see me.
I know I was out of town.
Is that good for your sound effects? Ew. Why is she feeding me broccoli? These strawberries are tasty. Wow, are they strawberries? He's got to get his antioxidants. Do you have food? Food! Oh, wow. How cute. Mommy's home! Hi!
You only survive because
This
I let
guy
you.
is off his rocker.
You only exist
He is abusive.
because I allow it.
Blinking
Never
twice.
forget that.
Rescue me.